Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I have the demo and an update. So the requirement was to replace, okay, so let me go to this. So these were the two tabs. This is the raw data from where there are three hash signs which needed to be replaced according to this list. So this list is a bit conditional formatted and dynamic. So these are the names for your easy understanding. These are the mnemonics, and these are the the actual filters I'm going to find out and replace the values accordingly. So if you will type the replacements in here, which may be 0 to 1 or 099 or maybe 999, or you can choose this one 0 to 2 maybe. So what this will do, this will allow you to replace this can hash with can 0 to 1. And this list is dynamic, and so if you are planning to add any further entries, you will see the checkbox are showing. Let me make slight changes. So maybe this. So you can see all of these are working dynamically. So these are the two columns where you need to enter the mnemonic and the name assigned to that, and the rest of the cells will work automatically. And obviously you need to input these replacements for the hash signs accordingly. Once all this done, you can see I have added this menu in here. So the first thing, what this will do, this will do the whole operation, and it will make the copy of this sheet, and it will go through each entry and find out the hash pound signs and replace it with the values. Let me do that for you. So you will see this will start working, and yes, it will check for the user, whoever is using the file. So whoever is using the file. Okay, so the first method to use this file, this code is the first one, which is replacing the hashtag with the code, whatever the entry you have made in here, to replace all of these. And as I have selected no checkbox, it's better to have it done in one go, like replacement and the checkboxes. If you want to select all of these, you can select anyone, or you can drag these as well. So this way you will be selecting it. These are getting red because these are being replaced. So my idea initially was that once we have replaced this can hash with can 0 to 1, there will not be any can hash to filter out. So these will get red when you are having some entries to be replaced. So these will always be there in there. So I can change this red color. You can ignore this. Okay. So enter the values, select the checkboxes, go to the menu, click on the replace the pound signs with the new entered values. And you can see this is the tab is made with the data handling at 12:31, and this is the time. Okay, so this will be unique every time. So if I'll generate right away another one, this will be another tab, and there will not be any overlaps. So you can see it's showing all the PHX, the pound signs as well, because I have selected all of these on the sheet. But if I don't want to see any of those with the pound sign in, but I only want to see the values which I just replaced. So what I'll do, I'll replace it one more time, and you'll see there will not be any pound sign. And you can see no entries with the pound signs, and only the selected entries are being shown. Okay, so this is the first thing. The second one is the download file. So the steps will be enter the values, select the checkboxes, and click on this. Once you are done with it and you are satisfied with the results, you can just go there and click the download file, and this will give you a pop-up like this. Click on this, and this will immediately download the CSV file right here. And you can close this dialog box. Okay, so here is the open file which I just downloaded through using CSV. I'll close it. Okay, so now the next. So for example, if to clear the replacement, because the replacement entries are there and the checkboxes are there. I have currently set up to this because mostly you might be checking all of these fields, and maybe if you don't want to see a one or two, you can just uncheck those. So most of the time this will always be checked. Okay, so If you want to clear these entries, you don't want to do it like this. If there are more, so you can just click on this, click replacement, and you'll see everything get clear. So these are the three steps: replace the pound signs, download the file, and clear the requirement. I have made another option which is one-click operation. So what this will do? This will do all of these three operations. It will replace the pound signs, download the file, and then clear the replacements. Let me do this quickly for you again. So for example, if these are the entries, and if I'll go there and click on the click on operation, one-click operation, what this will do? This will generate a new file, replace all the entries with it, and give you an option to click and download, and that's it. So within 5 seconds, you have done everything. Remove the pound signs with the codes and downloaded the file and cleared uh, the replacement entries as well. Now the last option. This is just an additional thing. So if you want to delete these tabs, you can always click select and click. Select the tab, go to the menu, delete this tab. Select the menu, delete this tab, and undo. So now let me do it one more time for you. Okay, so these are being checked. I'll remove all the others so that I can see only the values and no any pound signs. I'll run the one-click operation, and this will, you can see in the background, it has replaced everything. And I'll click on the CSV download, and this will give me the clean file. Only one discrepancy I found in this sheet is this, which you can obviously see in the main file as well, which is this one. So these two values are showing VLD, SSVLP. So this is the only discrepancy I can find. So should this be VLP or should this be VLD? You can decide it. And whatever the change you will make, you will have to make that change in here, VLP or VLD. Currently, it's looking for VLP, and I'm removing any entry which is in the first column with the VLP, but this is VLD, so it's not being replaced. So you can make this change right in here. Just change it to VLD, or maybe you need to change this to VLP. So I'll leave this part to you. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance or any other modification. Looking forward to your response. Thank you. Take care. Bye.